Hey Huskies, my name is Brooke Romero and I am your student body president. I am so excited because today we are having our very last assembly of the 2020-2021 school year. Today we are going to recognize our spring sports with special performances from our Hamilton Dance Company and Palm. First up, here's choir for the national anthem.
Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Racking up points, here's girls tennis.
Now I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1,000,000 deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the jeweler, I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving wrong, I do what they say I can't. They call me Cardi, banging body, spicy mommy, hot tamale, hotter than a Somali. Virgo, Ferrari, hop off the stoop, jump in the coupe, big dip on top of the roof, flexing on as hard as I can, eating halal, driving a lamb. So that bitch, I'm sorry though, got my coins like Mario. Yeah, they call me Cardi B.
What's your name?
Hi, my name's Sophia Rattano and I'm one of the captains for the girls tennis team.
Do you have anyone you want to thank this season?
Yes, I'd love to thank Coach Sweet and Coach Gutierrez for always supporting us in our matches, and also my teammates. It's been so awesome to get to know them and play with them throughout the years.
What's your favorite shoe brand for tennis?
My favorite shoe brand for tennis is Nike.
If you step into their court, you're gonna get served. Let's hear it from boys tennis.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This in between us is not like a story.
What's your name?
My name is Siobhan Pulitrella and I'm on the varsity boys tennis team.
Would you like to thank anybody this season?
I'd like to thank my coach for helping me improve my game throughout this season.
What's your favorite brand of water?
Kirkland Signature.
What he said.
Let's get your palms together and give it up for unified cheer.
It's
time for the fastest kids on campus. Let's hear from track.
Ay, ay. She's a runner, she's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard. She can't take the pain, she can't get scarred. She hurt anyone that gets involved. Don't wanna commit, why take it this far? She gon' do the race, just not this one. Love is a game you used to cheer for. When I was down to talk, you weren't here for. You, woo, woo, woo. Leave a trail of heartbreak and heartache like it cool. I guess way too late is convenient for you. The dirt you left don't turn into dust, it don't move. It's still waiting for you. Girl, you're killing me, you're tweaking all. I asked you what you feeling, you don't speak it all. But you go straight to Twitter, you gon' tweet it all. You must want another to be alone.
What you want to see?
We was supposed to fight high through the storm. You made a decision, chose the easy one. Say you following your heart, but girl, you leaving one. Wanted me to take you back with open reaching on.
And I can't do that, mom.
Lost for words, let it hurt. Setting my heart on fire, setting my heart on fire. Put you first, show you your worth.
What are your names and what event do you compete in?
I'm Jagger and I pole vault.
I'm Connie and I run the 4x8 relay.
My name's Carter Lewis. People call me White Lightning, and I run a mile and 800.
Hi, my name is Madison Burciaga, and I run the 400 and 800.
I'm Alia Nichols, and I run the 100 hurdles and the 300 hurdles.
I'm Brooke Sibley, and I run the 300 hurdles and do shot put and high jump.
Hi, my name is Cade Russo. I run the 800 and the mile.
Tell us a fun memory from this season.
At the Queen Creek meet, it started hailing and our tent broke and flipped over.
Also at the Queen Creek meet, I fell right after my 4x8 relay, so that was fun. Just had to be there.
After my last mile race, I was throwing up for 45 minutes, and it was just a blast, you know.
We were watching Alia compete in her hurdles, and she won it and rolled at the end, so it was a good race.
One time at practice, I was doing hurdles, and I actually went over all of them, and my coach did a cartwheel for me.
A favorite memory of mine is doing over 6 girls' hair, braiding it before the meet.
My favorite memory from this season is collapsing and throwing up after my last 800.
Does pineapple belong on pizza?
Never in a million years.
Madison?
Absolutely, yes. It's wonderful, a combination.
That's disgusting.
Great content, great content.
Oh my God.
Setting up the competition, let's hear from boys volleyball.
All these diamonds in my chains got me dancing around this. I'm Martin Luther King, black diamonds on my wrist. Put Giuseppe's on my kids, put your Coco on my. Put that fofo on the squid, then you pop that dip. I've been in the trenches, they tried to be specific. I fell in love my bitch, then sold them for some riches. This money be my missus, drive me crazy. I told them I'm so slimy, I'm so shady. I admit.
What are your guys' names?
I'm Jack Curcio, Philip Johnson, Caden Spears, and we're the Hamilton volleyball captains.
Do you guys want to thank anyone this season?
Yeah, I'd like to thank our coaches, Coach Register and Coach Barlow, for coming in and sticking with us through these tough times.
Okay, do you guys have any weird facts about this season?
Yeah, Ty Schmidt has had COVID 4 times.
These girls never miss. Let's hear it from softball.
Girl, I can't notice but to notice you, noticing me. From across the room, I can see it and can't stop myself from looking. Noticing you, noticing me. Watch out, I've seen a type before. That girl is so dangerous. That girl is so dangerous. That girl is a bad
yeah, that's her. The big dog trying to get a little the perk. X-Man looking at me like I'm Lucifer, cause he knows I would deal with the case, yes sir. If I was the last man on earth, I would only take that girl and the search. She give her no definition to the word curve. Got chicks in the strip club envying hers. Bodies like weapons of mass eruptions. Sit the glass on that fat obstruction. Tongue gang give a new type seduction. I'm trying to give.
What are your guys' names?
I'm Kelly.
I'm Legan.
And we're captains of the Hamilton softball varsity team.
What are your guys' plans for the future?
I'm going to play softball at San Diego State University.
And I'm studying health sciences.
On long road trips, what snack would you bring?
I'd probably bring Cheez-Its.
Hot fries.
Let's dig into our next sport. We have sand volleyball.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way I like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you. Moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. I believe that you're for me. I feel it in our energy. I see it's written in the stars.
Batter up, let's talk to boys baseball.
Decorate your block with red tape, phone them sliding every day. Bunch of hollows spitting out the Glock. I've been serving fiends all day, out there posted with the gang. We was taught to get it off the block. It's 100 bands in the safe, now I got expensive taste. Michael Mary jeans, fill them up with knots. I've been on my grind every day, don't believe in taking breaks. I ain't stopping till we chillin' at the top. Swerving on the E-way, don't care if I crash in this coupe. Think about too real, might lose my mind in this coupe. Can't relapse off these drugs, man, RP the juice. We was tweaking off.
What's your name?
I'm Alex. I'm Brock, and we're the captains of the Hamilton baseball team.
What do you take away from playing baseball during COVID?
It definitely allowed to, create a strong bond with our teammates and, handle adversity.
We got short from our season last year, and it was cut really short. But this year, we get a full season. And hopefully, we follow through. So.
If you could choose any shoe to change into a cleat, what would it be?
I'd probably turn some PF Flyers into some cleats.
I'd probably have to go with the Jordan 11s.
Let's put our paws together for our incredible teachers and staff.
Who's a teacher that's positively impacted you?
Senior Deem.
So what's your name?
Senor Deem.
And what do you teach?
Espanol.
So why do you like teaching?
For the kids. For you. And you. And everybody out there. I love you all.
Who's a teacher that's positively impacted you?
Miss Stumer.
I'm here with Miss
Stumer.
So what do you teach?
I teach juniors English.
And why do you teach?
I teach so that I can inspire others and so they can see the true potential in themselves, just like how I see the good in them. I want them to see the good in themselves.
Who's a teacher that has positively impacted you?
I'm going to say Mr. Torbert.
What's your name, sir?
Hi, I'm Mr. Torbert.
And what do you teach?
I teach English. I teach the sophomore honors mostly, and I also do some instructional coaching and work with some of the younger teachers on campus.
So why do you like teaching?
For me, teaching and education in general really is, in my opinion, one of the biggest things that we can do as a society to promote equity and to give every kid an opportunity and a chance to progress and develop and learn and better themselves. So I really believe in that. I think that's important. Truly believe in public education, and providing that academic but also social experience for kids to follow their dreams.
Let's hear from our other student government members for some student engagement.
I'm here with
Farah.
Explain your fit.
I got my shirt from Goodwill. I got these pants from Goodwill. I got my shoes online, and I made most of my necklaces.
I'm here with
Michael Hickman.
Explain your fit to me.
I got this from like a thrift store that my mom took me to on my birthday, and also these and my shoes my mom got me for like fit. And my girlfriend, she got me these necklaces, and yeah. And me and my girlfriend matching with this sunflower necklace.
Who are you wearing today?
You know, we got the Michael Kors, we got the Ross blazer and t-shirt and pants. Y'all can't mess with me today, boys.
What's your name, sir?
George Mendoza.
And what do you got on today?
Trench coat, a white turtleneck, some dress shoes, some chains. Yeah.
I'm messing with it. Would you rather hug a porcupine or kiss a lizard?
Definitely kiss a lizard.
Have you broken a bone, and which bone?
Yeah, I broke my ankle.
How'd you do that?
I fell.
If you could have an extra limb, what would it be?
An extra leg.
Okay. Nice.
Nickelodeon or Disney?
Nickelodeon.
Nickelodeon. Nickelodeon.
What's your zodiac sign?
Aquarius.
That's really unfortunate.
Who's your favorite artist?
Giveon.
How many holes are in a straw?
1.
2.
Turning wheels.
Traffic cone.
Nice.
Thanks, guys. Do you guys think I could play a D1 sport?
No shot.
Yeah.
Now time for our jazz champions. We have Hamilton Palmline. Company.
Just make it clap. Just make it clap.
Slow touch, brown and white. Like I go guns, girl run by. Like I'm gon' bust, eye for eye. Like I lose trust. Yo, put the belly in the bike, make it catch. Calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving out. Nah, I'm a pop star, not a doctor. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can put sports in the top 10.
Now I would like to spend some time doing some very well-deserved bragging. This school is filled with incredible young adults that are capable of such incredible things, and they have truly proven that throughout the school year. Now let's take it to our accomplishments. First off, we have Hamilton Dance Company, who qualified for nationals and became hip-hop state champions and 8-time state champions in jazz. We have speech and debate. 10 of our speech and debate members will be representing the state of Arizona in June at the National Speech and Debate Tournament. 2 of our coaches, Coach Bartlett and Coach Snyder, received Premier Region Coaches of the Year awards. Scott Reed, one of our AP Psychology teachers, was recently on ABC 15 for his survey he conducted in class. His survey was on what teens think about their parents. Hamilton Palmline won the Jazz Division at state. Girls Varsity Volleyball became 2020 state champions. Our Air Force Junior ROTC Cyber Patriot team took first place in the state competition. One of our very own Hamilton seniors, Eris Sue, became a 2021 Coca-Cola Scholar, being less than 1/6 of 1% of applicants chosen. Sam Bregman raised $15,000 to buy each student at Galveston Elementary a brand new pair of shoes. 10 members of our orchestra students have been chosen for the 2021 All-State Orchestra Festival. 5 band members were selected for the All-State Band. Our academic decathlon are once again the Arizona State champions for the 3rd year in a row. And lastly, Brooke Romero, myself, won District Superintendent Citizenship Award. I hope you all enjoyed our Spring Sports Assembly, the last assembly of the school year. It has been an absolute honor serving as your student body president, and I wish you all the best of luck in your final weeks of the school year. Go Huskies!